Well, it's a cold and gray November day on the 8th of November in Canada. And I gotta start this fucking Pontiac with no choke. So I can get that Chev piece of shit out of the way and fix the flat tires. So we can drive in the cornfield this coming weekend. Weather's supposed to improve. Got my redneck key. Now this thing hasn't been running since July when I fried the bees in it. I did a pre-bee inspection to see how they're doing. And all the bees I could find today are here. There's a 3-degree bee. It's barely alive. Yeah, barely alive at 3 degrees. Still wants to sting me. Let's go check out the truck. That's when I fried the bees the same day, to be or not to be. Yeah, they're gone. Oh, not completely. There's some fried bees nest. Next gas cap. Ooh, bees. Hey, 3-degree bee, you gonna bite me? Are ya? Look at that little ass. You're still alive. Oh, fuck you. I got work. I need to get both these cars running. Well, if it starts, we're all prepared. Okay, we got a battery all aboard. We got air in the tires. Let's see how well this thing starts after several months and 3 degrees Celsius. And then if it runs, I gotta move that pig. Ooh. You can tell that's been sitting a while. Oh, yeah, the lights work. Throttle's not stuck. Headlights work. Ready to go. Oh, battery issues. Fuck. Try number 2. Come on. Yeah! I love it. Well, now for this one. Let's hope I have as much luck. There's my key. Ooh, it's got lights too. Get in there. There. I'll leave that open. Okay, how many times do I gotta pump this thing? 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna give up counting. Well, that feels like a dozen to me. Let's see what's going to happen. Not a fuckable lot. Try number 2. Piece of shit. This is the coldest I've ever tried to start it yet without choke. Took the choke off because it was causing the throttle to stick and stay wide open. Here we go again. Yeah! had better days out here, that's for sure. Now, if I pump the gas and put her in drive, I might be able to get out of here. Get that pig out. Come on! Oh, almost made it! Oh, fuck! Ah. Oh, I got enough room. I'm good. Antenna works. Now I can make it. .1. Oh, sound effects. Yeah! Fuel injection rocks. Work car, don't want to hit you. The hood's not latched, I better slow down. Oh, there it goes. A little bit of corn, anyone?
Time to become a freeloader at fm96.com. Yeah, which is why I should.
Oh, 100K is fast enough. I gotta stop. Piece of shit.
Ranch McChicken, only available.
Fast sale going.
The gone event at
Stop what you're doing and get to 100%.
Get great deals on home furnishing, appliances.
Shut up, commercials. This thing's running perfect. It's one of the farm's fastest cars. I bet it'll beat the Camry. No, just a tire repair on 2 wheels.